Hey guys, so in this video, I'm gonna show you guys 3 ways to target your ideal audience in Facebook ads. So by the end of this video, you're gonna know the 3 ways that I personally use for, at this point, hundreds of artists and clients to help them find their target audience and get them the best results. So I've been doing Facebook ads for artists, for brands, for businesses of all different sizes. And over the course of the years, I've been able to learn the best ways to target people inside of Facebook ads. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly those ways and break it down super simple for you so you can follow along and understand exactly why I do each. So the first way to target people inside of Facebook is interest targeting. So in the past, interest targeting was a really big topic, and you had marketers and YouTubers telling you all types of different things. But what we are learning now about interest targeting is that it's not as effective as some of the other targeting methods. So you can target specific music, specific genres, specific artists, or general keywords. So the other type is similarity. So basically you can target people with similar sounds to yours, or similar products to yours, or similar music or style or looks to yours. So if you're a brand and you sell products similar to another company, you can target that audience of that company. So for example, if you were Pepsi and you wanted to get more Sprite drinkers, so you can put your ads to Sprite. Now the other type is interest and activities. So say you know your audience and you know what they like and you know what they are into. You can target the things that they are into because you know that they are in your target audience. So this could be hobbies, like what do your audience do for fun? Or what are they interested in? So if you can find this out, you'll be able to put your ads directly in front of those people. The other type is jobs. And if you know the types of jobs that are more likely to convert to your product, service, or even music, then you can put your ads directly in front of those people who work at that specific job. So those are pretty much the 4 ways you can target interest. Now I'm gonna go into interest targeting a lot more later on in this video, but for now, those are the 4 ways. Now, the other way is lookalike. Now, lookalikes, you can target 1%, 2%, 3%, all the way to 10% lookalike. So you can have purchase lookalikes, and that's basically people who purchased in the last 30 days, the last 60 days, 90 days, or 180 days. So the most popular out of these are usually the 30 days, where brands and companies or even musicians are targeting people who just recently purchased their product at least 30 days ago. The other lookalike is conversion lookalike. So inside of Meta, you can create a custom conversion and then create a lookalike based on that custom conversion. So for those of you who use download gates, if you're a musician, then you can create a lookalike for all the people who played or converted to listen to your song using your download gate. So you can also do video view lookalike, where you can target 3-second views, 15-second views, 25% video views, 50% video views, 75% video views, 90 and 100% video views. So based on how much of the video someone watched, you can create a lookalike based on that and target more people who are more likely to watch, for example, 75% of your video. So one of my favorites, and something that not a lot of people do, is Facebook and Instagram engagement lookalike. So you can create lookalikes based on all the people who have engaged with your social media account on Facebook and Instagram, and then have the algorithm go and find more people similar to those people. So this is very good if you're trying to build an audience of fan base who all are more likely to engage with your content on social media. So the third way to target your ideal audience is broad targeting. Now, a lot of you guys are hearing everywhere online that broad targeting is the way to go. Now I'm gonna explain to you guys why this is so you can have a clear understanding of why broad targeting is so powerful. So basically with broad targeting, you're giving the algorithm full control over finding the right people for you. So a lot of you guys may think, oh, I'm throwing money away by doing broad targeting, but actually the Facebook or Meta algorithm in general is extremely smart, and it knows exactly the type of people to go after based on the content that you give it. Now, how do they know what to go after? Because Facebook or Meta transcribes the entire video. It looks at all the images and scenes inside of the video, or even the image, and then creates sub-interest based on all the information it's gathered from your content. So basically what I'm saying is that if you want broad targeting to be effective, that means your ad must be effective. So your ad copy must be effective, meaning it must talk to the audience that you want to go after. Your headline must be effective, meaning it must call out or be of interest to the people you want to go after, as well as the content or creative that you put inside of the ad. So where you actually shoot the videos matters a lot when it comes to broad targeting. So if you're selling a pet product, you want to actually show the pet inside of that ad. So if you're selling a product for a dog, but yet you have a cat inside of the video, then the algorithm is most likely going to show the ad to cat owners. But if you want it to convert super high, then you want it to be cohesive. You want it to be a pet product or a dog product and show dogs in your ad. So basically with broad targeting, you want to put the targeting inside of your creative. So instead of selecting actual interest and different parameters inside of the meta targeting, you actually want to put all the targeting inside of the creative. So if your ads are catered to older demographics, make sure you're showing older people inside of your ad. If your ad is catered to younger audience, make sure you're showing young people inside of your ad. So if you're a musician and you look at your audience breakdown inside of Spotify, SoundCloud, or any of these platforms that stream music and give you data, it tells you the demographic of the people that listen to your music. If you are creating an ad to promote your music, make sure you have that demographic inside of your ad. Also, to show you how smart the algorithm is, let me ask you a question. Have you ever thought that your phone has been listening to you? For example, you would say something and then the next moment you see an ad pop up on your feed of that exact thing. Now that's a perfect example of showing you how smart the Facebook algorithm is. Based on all the data it collects, it's able to identify who to show your ad to. Plus, with broad targeting, it is way cheaper to get good results than with interest targeting. Interest targeting is becoming very expensive because everyone is targeting interest. With broad targeting, again, you put all the targeting inside of your creative, and not many people know how to do this effectively. So by you doing this, you're automatically setting yourself apart from everyone else and going to get better results from doing this simple step. So say you had a brand new ad account and the algorithm doesn't even know who to target. So basically what I would recommend is to either stack your interests or to, again, just put all your interest inside of your creative. Now, in the past, everyone was saying you should target a single interest. However, now I would recommend to target multiple interests or just leave it completely broad. By targeting multiple interests, you're kind of just guiding the algorithm on where it should go. So use multiple interests as well as broad targeting up front, like as soon as you start the account. Because with multiple interests, you're gonna get conversions and you're guiding the algorithm. Meanwhile, broad targeting is using the interest from your actual creatives. Now, if you don't have the ability to make good creatives, then I would just say stick with multiple interests in guiding the algorithm. So at the end of the day, You get results based on your creative. If your creative sucks, you're just not gonna get good results. Like, I get comments every day is like, I spent so much money on this ad and I got 0 listeners, or I didn't make any purchases, or all I got was clicks and it didn't convert. And that's because your funnel is broken, and the funnel always starts with the creative. If your creative sucks, you're not gonna convert. So that basically means in the beginning, you should be spending most of your time, energy, and money creating creatives, building the best ad to convert your target audience. Now get this right and you will see a lot of amazing results. And this is how I've been able to help so many artists, brands, and companies scale, get more sales, get more leads, get more listeners, just by using this one simple tactic. Create amazing content and you get better results. All right, guys, so if you guys found value from this, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And if you did find value from this and you're like, hey, maybe I should have you run my ads for me, then there's gonna be a link under this video where you can click that link and then schedule a meeting with me. And then we can see if it even makes sense for me to help you with your ads. So go and click that link, subscribe to this video. And again, if you guys like this video, there's gonna be another 2 videos that pop up right here. And I will see you guys over in those videos.